Did you know that the brothers released their first product?
What is it?
It's chalk.
Chalk? Like for sidewalks?
No, for Epiphany.
Oh.
So there's actually a long-standing Catholic tradition where you write on your door with blessed chalk to be able to add a blessing to your house.
And how does it work?
So you start writing the year. Then, inside, you write the initials of the three wise men. So you have Caspar, Melchior, and Balthazar. Then you just add it all together and say the prayers on your card.
That's amazing. How can I get one?
So on your screen, you'll have a QR code, and that will take you to our Triumph of Love bookstore, where you can order yours. Or, if you'd like, you can buy one at our next Senecal. Don't miss your opportunity to have your home blessed this upcoming Epiphany. Get your Epiphany chalk now, and bless your house today.
All the chalk will be exercised and blessed before you receive it. The brothers are asking for a $3 donation, or whatever the Holy Spirit may put on your heart, to assist us in our missions. Christus mansionem benedicat. May Christ bless your home. Happy Epiphany. As we receive the three kings, above all, let us receive the Lord, so that those who enter our homes know that they're entering into a home that belongs to Christ, where they can find Him. All for the heart of Jesus, through the heart.